Ready?
You're good. So what are we making?
This is a Tequila Rosemary Gimlet. Gimlet is traditionally a gin cocktail made with fresh lime and sugar. This is a tequila variant using a rosemary infused sugar and fresh rosemary.
Awesome. Yeah. Nice.
The first ingredient is the fresh rosemary itself. Simply muddled and ice. You want to muddle it real well. You want to get the rosemary essence out of it. Let's start with the most important ingredient, the tequila.
Yeah. There you go.
2 ounces.
2 ounces. Oh.
There you go.
I'm not messing around.
Sour mix. Important. It's most of the citrus and sugar comes from sour mixes. 1 part lemon juice, 1 part lime juice, 2 parts sugar.
Okay. All right.
About 2 ounces of that too.
Sour mix.
And then more fresh lime.
More fresh lime.
It won't be sour by the time we're done. The sour mix is half full.
Okay.
About 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. And then, last but not least, rosemary infused simple syrup.
Oh boy.
So we're getting the
Okay.
citrus and the sugar from a few different sources.
Nice.
I'm excited already.
Right?
That's my fault. Sorry to mess up here.
Oh, good, man.
You can edit that out later.
Yep.
I need to sip beer anyway.
Just shake enough to incorporate all the ingredients. Don't want to overshake it, it'll become watered down. Some floaters are okay.
Gives it some character.
Lets you know you got that fresh rosemary.
Right.
And then just one more.
Garnish.
Just to top it up.
Very nice. And what's this called again, Paul?
Tequila Rosemary Gimlet.
Tequila Rosemary Gimlet.
My man Paul makes all the girls fall. Long, you know what it is.
And Paul, where are we?
We're at the Beardsley Public House in Bothel.
Which is actually just right across the street from the Tesla Supercharger where the car is now.
There you go.
So,
You'll be seeing our Tesla review in a second.
this is how we do on Tech Taste Daily. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Paul.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.